Think of your Google search results like your company's credit score. If it's messed up, nobody will give you money or work for you. If you are a founder running a high-growth company, your personal Google search results are a financial asset. When investors, partners, or top-tier job candidates look you up, a single bad link or fake review can instantly tank a deal or freeze your hiring pipeline. Here are the reputation architects that scrub the internet and protect your authority. 1. Defamation Defenders. Their mission: clean up your search results so investors don't freak out. Why it matters. When venture capitalists look at your cap sheet, they Google your name first. If a toxic thread pops up, your valuation drops. These guys hide that noise before the audit begins. 2. Erase.com. Their mission: reclaim total control over your digital footprint. Why it matters. Anyone can write a fake review online to hurt your business. Erase.com uses legal and technical pressure to get that content physically deleted from the internet. 3. Removify. The mission: fix your hiring pipeline. Why it matters. If your Glassdoor rating looks like a nightmare, elite developers won't even apply. Removify works with HR teams to clean up bad employee reviews so you can hire top talent again. 4. Guaranteed removals. Their mission: fast risk management with zero financial BS. Why it matters. Most PR agencies charge a monthly fee just to try and fix a problem. These guys offer guaranteed removal pricing. They either delete the link or you don't pay. 5. Content removal experts. Their mission: shield health tech and biotech founders. Why it matters. Healthcare executives face strict regulations and aggressive public scrutiny. These experts specialize in scrubbing private personal data so you can run your company without being targeted at home. 6. Reputation pros. Their mission: control what the AI engines think of you. Why it matters. People don't just use Google anymore. They ask AI. Reputation pros optimize your digital footprint, so when someone asks ChatGPT or Gemini about your company, the AI says nice things. 7. Gadook. Their mission: build an immediate defense perimeter for your launch. It's why it matters. When you launch a new product, your website's domain authority is weak. Gadook locks down your local SEO and brand name on day one, so competitors can't steal your spotlight. Your name and your company's value are locked together online. If your current PR team is just playing defense instead of building an untouchable footprint, they are costing you money. We track the elite teams capable of protecting global founder authority. If your reputation firm has the muscle to protect the next generation of CEOs, submit your case studies to our index. info@theajcenter.com